Alright, here's how to create an e-commerce website using Arena AI. So you can see this is our Arena AI dashboard. Alright, so there's a lot of things we can do over here. So once you click on your website, you can see we can build different kind of website. Now we're going to create e-commerce website. There are different kind of website we can build, but for the purpose of this class, we're going to focus on e-commerce website for the purpose of this class. So you can scroll over, you can see all the sites that you can build for you. Alright, now we are going to this product details, right? Now there are different kind of websites, all right? Product gallery. Right, so we just pick one of them. So this particular options, we don't even need to give it a prompt. Now here it says design a restaurant menu with categories, item cards. There are 3 icons and other built. Now these are the kind of website that is going to create for us. Now if we wanted it to create a specific website for us, we would have given it a prompt. But this, let's see what it's going to create for us without a prompt, just an e-commerce website, all right? An item website where you sell products like form of eatery, all right? This is the kind of website that is going to build for us. Now over here on the left hand side, what you are seeing here is telling you how he's building the website. It's telling you how he's creating this website for you and the things that is adding up to the website. So that's why you see that on the left hand side, a lot of things are going on there. So you can just pay attention to the write-up, and it's explaining to you just in case you need to edit the website. All right, basically in case you need to edit the website, you need to understand how it was built. Now as you can see, you can go ahead and download once it's done. Now it's going to create 2 different websites for us. You can see A and B. All right, we have A and B. We have page A and page B. Okay, so it's currently creating 2 different websites for us. So once it is done, we're going to go ahead and just pick one. All right, so it's designing 2 different websites for us. Now this is the first one. The first one is already being loaded, while the B is still building, currently still building. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and then we're going to go ahead and copy the link. All right, so it's currently on preview. So once they finish building, we're going to see just like this. Option A is currently done. They are done. Option A is already done, so we're waiting for option B. All right, and both of them are in preview. So if I want to preview this, I'm going to copy it. I'll go over to copy. So you can see there, you can go over to copy and copy it to another browser. So for here, I'm just previewing it because we are waiting for the option B to load up. All right, now the option B has already loaded up. So this is the option B. Now you have choice. Just will go ahead and copy the link, open a new browser, and paste the link here. So it's going to open up. So this is a website that has been created by Arena AI. You can see this is the option B. All right, so we're going to look at the option A and the option B. So you can see this is a complete restaurant website where you can make purchase, you can make order. So you can see it's responsive. This is a responsive website. Everything is built well. Now you can go ahead and re-edit it to the way you want it in case you don't like what you are seeing here. All right, so they have different menu, okay, different pages. So it just depends on what you want. Just focus on what you want, right? So it's very, very easy to create. Now we didn't even give it a prompt. Now we're going to look at the option A. Right, I'm going to go ahead and copy option A, go to a new browser, then I'm going to paste it here to see what option A has to offer us. Right, this is what option A has to offer us. So I think I prefer option B. Option B tends to be more advanced than this. So this is how you create your website using Arena AI. It's very easy. So in our next class, we're going to use a prompt to create it, to see what we can create with prompt. This is just what it gave to us by default. Okay. Now, if you are enjoying this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. In my next class, I'm going to show you how to use prompts to create a website through Arena AI, a kind of website that will resonate with exactly what you want, because this is what it just gave to us by default. All right. If you want something more than this, you have to give it a prompt, and we'll be able to create it for you. So these are to create a website.